You're on.
So, is my hair okay?
Your hair's beautiful.
Okay, I have my film crew today, which I didn't previously. Some of you may remember that I have done household tips on how to fold a contour sheet and change a duvet cover. Today, I'm going to give a gardening tip. I spend a lot of time out in the garden, but I have found the perfect tool. It is a little chainsaw that is made for pruning, probably so that I won't go above my pay grade. But this is Millie. Millie is from Milwaukee. This is a brand new tool by Milwaukee. We have power. So this is for all those women out there. Now, I'm going to give you a demonstration on how it works. However, safety is our first issue. So in that case, we need to get prepared. Oh, I hate to mess up my hair, but I think this will work. Hat was a little bit big, and we gotta have a little style to go with it. So we have personalized the hat. You may do your own. And glass eyewear is crucial. Now, if you will follow me slightly, I'm going to demonstrate. And also footwear. Your boots are really essential. There's nothing better than mesh stockings and Timberlands. So as we come back in, most of this I've already cleared, and it's fine cotton. I'm going to show you, and hope it doesn't fall on my head.
We're on the film crew.
Now that's a woman's tool. So then after I clear these, then I can cut them up and put them for firewood. You want to see one more? It gets addictive if I don't fall in a rabbit hole. And that is our tip for today. Make sure you have your safety wear. Make sure you have your Milwaukee tool. And happy gardening.